Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make this spicy basil chicken chow mein. We are going to boil some water, add some oil and salt. Then we are going to add 1 pack of chow mein to the water. Boil to the instructions on the pack. When it becomes nice and tender, you are going to strain this out. Then you're going to add some oil to keep it nice and loose. Some green onions for flavor. These are the rest of the ingredients and they will be in the description box. Alright, along with the measurement. I did went ahead and stewed my chicken. I was not going to do a video, but after I'll be like, okay, let me just do this one. So to a hot wok, we add some sliced onions, some tomato sauce, bell peppers, green onions, our basil, and we are going to saute this for about 5 minutes. Go ahead with the rest of our herbs and spices. As I mentioned, is our spicy basil chicken chow mein. We're going to add our stewed chicken, some broccoli. You can add more veggies if you like. Taste and adjust the flavoring here to your likeness and taste. This is super tasty and amazing. Now you go ahead and you add your cooked chow mein here. This I'll leave the link to my Amazon storefront and you can find a chow mein there. So thank you all so much for spending the time with me today. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye.